Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, it's a beautiful day out, and you know, I haven't ridden my motorcycle much this summer because it's been way too hot. I like to drive when it's cooler, so in the fall I drive more. And I thought I'd take it out today for a ride. Now, there's a distribution warehouse near me that I've never seen, and it's been there for a while. It is by this here company here. Can you see this? Right here, this is Amazon. There's an Amazon distribution warehouse near me, and I've never seen it. You know, it's maybe about 20 minutes away, so I'm gonna drive there on my bike and go check it out. And I'm gonna bring with me in, where is it? So I have the bag over here, my tank bag. And in here I have, can you see that? I've got a little Mini. So I'm going to go check out the warehouse and take my Mini and take some video of it. Now this is actually a joy for me because most days I am either at the office of my day job working or quickly squeezing in a review video before heading off to my day job. As you can tell, this is one of my few days off, and it is on those days that I do enjoy a relaxing motorcycle ride. Now I'm guessing several of you are going to ask what is the brand and type of motorcycle I'm driving. Well, this is my trusty old Honda VFR 800 from the year 2004. You see, in my younger days I used to drive nothing but crotch rockets and I used to crash often, as seen here, so I jumped over to the sport touring motorcycles. In order to get to the Amazon warehouse, I have to head south out of the city limits. Unfortunately, there's not a lot of twisty roads back here, so yeah, it's kind of straight and boring. But look around, it's farmland. I don't have this around my place, so farmland as far as the eye can see. It looks really good. Doesn't smell that great though. After 20 minutes of riding, my GPS tells me I'm nearing my destination and it should be on my left. So as I'm crossing the highway, I'm looking to my left. And what do I see? Nothing. Well, I see this building, but that can't be it because the Amazon warehouse is supposed to be massive. But yep, that's it. I'm looking right at it, but it looks so small. Okay, so now I'm thinking, if that's the Amazon warehouse, it doesn't look very large, but I've got to stop. So I pull into this gas station, which is actually a truck stop, past the trucks, go to the back of the gas station. Luckily, no one is around, so I've got the whole area to myself. Park the bike, and yeah, I guess we should take out our DJI Mini and go check out that Amazon warehouse. All right, I got a GoPro over there. Hopefully none of these trucks at this truck stop drive it over. All right, I did say earlier that I brought the Mavic Mini, but I just took a look at what I brought. I brought the Mini 2, which is even better than the Mavic Mini because I'm gonna have to fly farther than I thought. And this will be really good with OcuSync 2 in it, so here we go. All right, we're all set. I'm gonna take this up and I'll show you where I'm standing. Watch out for this sign up here. All right, let me take this back. There we go, take it back there, and let me put the camera down. There I am over here. So I'm at this truck stop, Petro-Canada gas station, and I'm gonna point. Up over there is our little Amazon distribution warehouse. Right over there. So that's what I'm going to fly over and check out. Now, for some reason, I've stopped in an area where there must be a wasp hive or a beehive because there's a lot of them around me here. Let's take it away up. Wow, that is pretty big. Look at the size of this thing. It's massive. All right, so let's head over to it. Here we go. So this would be our Amazon distribution warehouse for my neck of the woods. So for my city and surrounding smaller cities, this is it. Look at this thing. Here, let me just bring the camera down a bit. Look at this. So when I order from Amazon on a daily basis, this is where it all comes from. Here, let's go this way. Check out the length of this thing. Wow, look at that. It just goes and goes and goes. I almost have to put this like in sport mode or something to get to the end quickly because it is so huge. This is crazy. I'm gonna take this up higher to the maximum height I'm allowed in Canada and look down at it because it's just going on and on and on and on and on. So let's go. I can get up to about 120 meters here in Canada. So let's go. We're going up, 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 up. Looks pretty nice in the back of it. Nice scenery, nice landscape, and almost at 120, and then I'm going to spin around and take a look at this baby. Because the higher I am, there we are. Max height reached. All right, so there's the highway. I'm looking down, and let's look back at this thing. Whoa! I'm going to have to go backwards. It still doesn't fit in the picture. It's so huge. Look at this, I'm going backwards. Now I gotta bring the camera up. I'm at 120 meters here. And look at this thing. I can't even get it, the whole building, I can't even get it in frame. That is insane. Look at this thing. Wow. I'm sure in your cities you have the same thing, but I've never seen something like that before. That is incredible. That is amazing. All right, I'm glad I came out to check it out because that's so freaking cool. All right, I'm gonna put this in sport mode and zoom it back to me. So here we go, I'm over this way. Sport mode, here we go, full speed. Even in sport mode, it looks like I'm going slow over this thing because it's so big. That is, oh, it's just crazy. Here, let me show you the horizon, how far out I am. I'm far from a city and anything else around. There's not much around here, maybe a small little town. It's just basically this Amazon warehouse and this gas station. Probably makes a lot of business. So let's come on back to me. I'm down here. Spin this around as I'm coming down. There we are, and we'll be right at the tail end of my motorcycle. Actually, I'll put it in camera so you can see it, the GoPro. So I'll bring it over here and I'll put it right in front of me, right there. There's the top of my head. Whoa, I just missed that Petro-Canada sign. And there we go. I'll bring the camera back up and bring it on down. Well, I'm glad I checked that out. I often wondered how big the Amazon warehouse was, and now I know. It's pretty darn big. Here, I'll just show you how I have everything stuffed in my tank bag. So I put the little Mini 2 over here, and the controller goes there, and a spare battery I have up in here. But I really don't need a spare battery because you get so much flight time with the Mini 2. All right. Thanks for joining me on this ride. Let me come around this way. So, if you've heard of the term helmet hair or helmet head, watch this. I'll take this off. When it's really sweaty and you're riding a motorcycle, this is what you're left with. Yeah, it just sticks everything to your head. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I bet a lot of you out there ride motorcycles, like, you know, you probably have some nice ones sitting around. So if you do, post a comment below and tell me what type of motorcycle you ride, year, make, and model, and what you think of it. And then everybody can experience your thoughts on your own motorcycle. All right, guys, take care. You know what? I'll do this again in the future. I'll take the Mini out with me and I'll go to other places and film around and check it out. Till then, take care. Catch you in the next one. Bye.